Birthday siya yan. I'm going to embarrass you right now.
Mga kaibigan ni
Okay.
siya yan.
Oh, that's at your house.
That's a pansit.
And I made all pictures. Where's that? Oh, was that chocolate? Is that you? And the last one. Why was it blurry in the other one? Hey, the Mario.
Mga kaibigan ni siya yan. Oh, hello, yesterday.
That's cat? Or pictures. That's a cat?
Si Mr. hindi siya okay. Nagsusuka
Ay,
siya.
wala.
Tapos may fever. And
I feel
then,
my neck is broken.
hindi siya okay. May lagnat siya guys. Nasa banyo kasi mag-shower siya kasi gusto ko siya pakainin ng maaga ng breakfast tapos patulogin kasi hindi siya nakatulog. Mainit siya. Nasa banyo siya, naliligo. Ganyan siya kasi pag may nararamdaman, maligo siya kasi mainit yung katawan ba. Siguro yung AC ba, yung alam nyo, ang init dito tapos tawag nito minsan kasi siya pag matulog, bago matulog, mag-shower, nakahubad siya. Sobrang init kasi. Ay. Mga kaibigan niya, sinetext siya. Naantok ako kasi ginising ako ni Mr. Hindi siya okay guys. Balak pa sana namin na na magsimba kaming lahat ngayon umaga kasi hindi na siya okay. So mamayang hapon na lang kami pupunta. Around 6 o'clock. Ay nako. Guys, mag-breakfast na tayo. Yan, ang kakainin namin yung bihon.
I'm so tired.
Put that pantay of the heater. Kasi, yan, ito na ang kainin namin. You say thank you Lord when you woke up.
Yeah.
You pray.
I think the sign of the cross.
And what you said at the Christmas you didn't pray. You should pray, Mama. Kain po tayo guys ng breakfast. Makain ang dalawa. Ang breakfast. Ito ang breakfast namin, bihon. Happy birthday, Mami.
Thank you.
Hindi siya.
You said she dropped her here.
She dropped.
Last time.
Okay na si Mr. Thank God. Yung nanay pala ng bisita ni Shane kahapon na kaibigan niya, girlfriend ni Mr. Yeah, it's small world guys. Nakilala ko ang mga ex ni Mr. Le, hi da girlfriend la Johnny. Alhek.
واخوتها فريند مع
في بيت ابيض هونيك.
she showed me.
انا طويله الضم.
Girlfriend.
شو بأسف
لا لا
شو بأسف هيدي زمان انا ولا مش متذكرته بس هي تذكرتني قلت لها ليك حبيبتي
كانش في هون شيء ما كان
قلت
هونيك.
لها قلت لها الولد بيتذكر الكبير
نزلت لهون؟
هون
ها؟
على الدرج هي لما اجت انا كنت رايحه لعند جاكلين، كانت حكيتني قلت لها انا رايحه. وصلت لهون حد
يا بابا انتبه يا بابا، ليش عم تصحى؟ You don't know it seems.
حد
Careful يا
المزار، ولقيتها نازله هي وبنتها بتقول لها فرجيني صورة بيك. نعم.
هي ومين؟
هي وبنتها كانت جايبتها.
بنتها هي.
لا لا تعرفي إسام
إيه، ما
أوراني.
كلهم
ضيعتها هي من
وين؟
انت قلتي لي امبارح بتعرف جارنا روني
ايه
وعصام
he told she
انا
told
ما
هني
اخذت
من
عطيت انا
شو
وراسي عم
اسمه؟
يوجعني عم فل.
من
هلا بتعرفي على الدواء والثلج شوي
ثلج
شوي
الماء.
يعني
Don't tell to your friend.
لا بابا دونت
هي من
سي
ضيعتهم.
It's a problem to the father.
شو بيقولوا لها؟ المهم بقى
He will not let his daughter come here anymore.
فاتت انا تشوف منيل عم تحكي
يا
شو، قلت لها
إيه.
فرجيني صورة بيي.
قصيرة هيك بس انا مش بعرف كيف شكلها هلا.
ما هي بيت رايحة انا ماني عارفة انه
قالت لها لمين
عملت لها.
تشوف صورة بيها
لا،
لشيان؟
إيه.
ماني عارفة انه عملت لها عيد وجايين هن البنات. راحوا لما حكيتني كنت جاية بعدني لقيتهم اسم الله شلعة بنات 4 5
ما
وهيك.
سمعوش التليفون انا استغربت دقيت لها
قلت لها شيان
لا، أنا
بيك
I'm
عم
busy.
بدق لك
They come early and 6
طلعت لقيت
o'clock.
عتمت برا، طلعوا على الكاميرا لقيت عتمت كيف؟ ما حكيونيش انه رجعوا.
المهم هلا قعدوا تاري عملت لي تاري صرت اسال انت منين؟ دقت لبيا قال لها نبطيه وسور، قلت لها وين انتوا على طريق تحتاني
إيه.
ان شاء الله ما فيش حدا فوق متضايق وهيك.
نباتية they hit there ما هيك؟
ايه ايه
they hit there.
وحدة قالت من كمان من صفا، بس قالت لي مش من نفس جنسي.
Don't tell to your friend. Eh, baka magka-problema sila ng asawa niya. Ayan, bili kami ng ulam. Thank God, okay. Kasi Mr. kanina talaga, nilagyan ni Mama ng ice dito sa noo niya kasi mainit daw siya. Mainit yung mata niya, yung fever na sa loob ba. Thank God, okay na siya. Alam niyo, pag hindi okay ang asawa ko, malungkot ang bahay ba? Kasi siya yung nagbibigay ng ambience sa bahay, maingay siya. Oo, kahit nakakaano ba na kausapin, yung alam nyo, kausapin ka niya. Kaya, yala kaming. Tara, samahan nyo kami guys. Ni Mr. Ah, why? Namit ko yung ex ni Mr. La, kakaibigan ng anak niya. Yan, punta kami sa isbe. Yani, what
She
all?
was beautiful. She was very beautiful, but she was short. It's okay.
Ah, she's beautiful. You can see from now.
She was
daughter.
the girlfriend of someone.
Ah, kami.
بعدين they broke up. بعدين she saw me. and I know her brother. بعدين when she passed, hey handsome. And I'm staying with her. I saw her. and I see her, but I don't talk to her. She said, "Hey, handsome." She's يعني more than friendly.
She's
she talks to you
funny,
as if she knows you from 100 years. هاي كيفك كده؟ هاي أنا دودو. قلت لها اوكي أنا جولي بس أنا I was afraid that her brother يعني will be upset to her. يعني her brother he knows that she's talkative
Friendly,
وهيك. Even more than friendly. You know يعني you can think something because of she's too much friendly. You will think something. بعدين كذا هذا that time ما في phone numbers ما في كذا هذا that time we are here بعدين يعني we talked she 3 months بعدين I felt like there is something. It seems هذا the one before her boyfriend before she loved him long time, you know. I see والله العظيم I'm telling you don't tell in front of Cheyenne. I should not say it in front of Cheyenne. I'm afraid that she says it by mistake.
Yala, let's go. But why we continue? Nakabili na kami ni Mr. ng gamit. Ayan. Next, bibili kami ng tawag nito, cake ni Cheyenne. Maliit lang pa na cake. I-blow niya.
It was was
Continue.
I remember هلا
Nice story. يلا
شو هيدي I'm telling you 20 years ago شو 20 years قبل كمان
How old are you that time?
I was the Lebanese gigolo أنا شو بدي أقول.
بعدين
It was New Year's Eve. There was a big party. You participate. Supposed to be you pay $10 that time. So it's 1.5 يعني 15,000. هوني up next to وين هذا وين صباح في the roundabout, the big roundabout behind the roundabout there was a big hall. We rented it. يعني شي 150 person we were. we bought food كله هيدا هيك هودي سبيناتش وبيتزا وكذا وهيك. they made tabbouleh وكذا يعني في somebody was taking care with the group. نحن we pay so they know 150. everybody will eat and drink and هيدا with this $10 وميوزك ودي جي وهيدا till morning وهيك. we are all next to our house so we don't get drunk or drive you know. all 150 from زوق وصرفة وهون. ايه والله عظيم. I paid أنا و that time I didn't want يعني to go somewhere كذا. My friends with me we were 7 8. we are والله عظيم كان شي 30 years ago. Yeah we made هيك.
Eh, bili muna tayo ng cake bago magkwento si Mister. Nakakatuwa ba ang kwento
She
niya?
will hit me. Wala, أنا عارف.
Bili tayo ng cake dito, guys. Masarap ito, de la Mete. Dito kami nagpagawa ng
Amitié.
ano ni Kian. Communion niya. Tara, let's go sa inside. Pero hindi ko na ipakita. Nakabili na kami ng cake ni Cheyenne. Maliit lang siya. Good for 8 person. Yan kami. Kakainin din naman nila ito.
But then
Masarap.
I'm looking. Where is she? I didn't find her.
Continue daw.
We had like a code. I turn on the light here, turn it on, turn it off, turn it on, turn it off. She's on the balcony. She makes the same. You know, for me, in the high كذا هنا. 3 times, I will pass. 1 time high. You know, 3 times. If she make 3 times on off, I have to go to pick her up.
Wala.
Wallah azim, it was like this.
Yeah. Tinuro niya yung bahay ni
Don't mention anything in front of Shane. Wow.
parents niya eh.
You hear me?
Yeah.
She could say something by mistake. It would be a big problem between us and her father or the girl.
I know.
ليه. You see هونيك؟ هوني وين في orange؟ هوني under the tree في orange fabric. You can see. You didn't see.
Bala, I see na.
هونيك was their house. هونيك في white behind it. It's not showing now. It was their house. بس ما في هود التريز كلهم يعني you.
That's why she told me you play with her football.
I play baseball.
I'm showing.
عم شو علي؟
What a memory, Mister.
يلا ما نروح نجيب هودي.
Hello, nagluluto si Mami Laura ng pagkain namin. And habang nagluluto ako, kachat ko si Sis Maricel. Sabi niya, kanina daw umaga around 5 o'clock, may narinig daw siya na malapit sa kanila. Ang dami daw na ganyan. Alam nyo na yun. And then, missile. Yung rocket ata yun. Tapos, yun, nag-message 5 o'clock yun na. Tapos, around 5 o'clock, diba hindi okay si Mister, sabi niya nag-pop daw sa phone niya na yung news na tinira daw nila yung part ng SNEA, part ng South. Alam niyo guys, naalala niyo yung nag-video ako na it was 2 years ago ata yun, na dumaan kami na pinakita ko sa inyo yung way na shortcut na madami kaming nadadaanan na age. Tapos may nag-stop over kami na sinasabi ko. Yung nag-stop kami tapos yung grape wine, yung grapes siya, farm grapes. and then Grape Farm na pang wine, yung purple black na ano, tapos ang sarap-sarap, tumikim nga ako doon. Anyway, doon boundary yun ng isang village ng Isneya, yung lugar nila, Mr. Village nila, at saka yung maraming H, oo, village kasi yun, mix yun, Christian at saka alam yung M. Doon tinira nila kaninang umaga. So yun yung narinig ni Sis Marisol na malakas, minessage niya ako, and sinabi ko na malapit yun kasi doon sa boundary ng lugar nila Mr. Isneya ang bumagsak ng ano guys. And then ano pa yung sabi ko, tawag dito, nag-message si yung pinsan ni Mr. na nandun nakatira, hindi kasi sila bumababa, talaga doon sila nakatira. Nang lakas daw yung mga bintana daw ng bahay nila nabasag. Oo, kasi around 5 o'clock yun, tulog pa sila. So yun ang balita ko ngayon araw. Nagluluto ako ng fish. Magluluto ako, hindi pa ako nakaluto. Yung frozen ang binili ni Mr., yung walang ulo ba na fish. Yan, naka-sale kanina sa market kaya kinuha namin. Masarap naman siya, iprito namin. So yun, na-miss ni Mr. ang isda. Yun guys, sana tumigil na. Sabi ni Mr. baka yun na yung last na ano, palitan nila kasi tinira na nila doon sa Tel Aviv ata yun. Yung H dito tinira nila doon sa may city, capital ng yung alam nyo, pero wala atang damage, walang casualty o for lang atang injury, pero ang tawag ito, yung H dito doon nila pinalipad. Ngayon nag-response naman sila doon naman sa kanina, yun na ngayon na rin Mrs. Marcel. Araw-araw daw na may ganyan palitan guys, pero sa south talaga oh. So anyway, luto na tayo and then kain na ng maaga ba. Nandito si bunso ko.
Are we gonna go somewhere in Manila?
Yeah, maybe. Sige.
That's what after.
Ayan, kain na po tayo. Kumakain na sila. At magluluto pa ako dito ng fish. Kain po tayo. Ha?
There's dripping on my plate.
Oh,
Benton. It's Benton.
maybe that. Kain tayo guys.
It's Benton.
وتنفيذ أكثر من 50 غارة في خلال مدة لم تتجاوز 20 دقيقة.